Hello, I have a Magimix 4200 XL food processor that won't start. The bowl, lid, and push piece all appear to be properly locked in place. Do you think it might be the safety rod spring mechanism that's in the handle? I've only used the machine about 5 times in 10 years. Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your question. The safety rod spring mechanism in the handle trips a switch to let the unit know it is okay to start. Either the switch is bad or the mechanism in the handle is stuck not tripping the switch correctly. You would have to take it apart to see which it is.
Okay, thanks. Should I take it to an appliance repair place, and do you think my issue is something that an unauthorized place could handle? There is only one authorized Magimix repair place in the country and their ratings are not too good, so I'm reluctant to go there.
Yes, any unauthorized place should be able to fix this for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.